So today, 4th of March 2023, was our grand opening of our machining centre, metrology centre, that's brought all of our part assembly, manufacturing, machining, prototyping in-house, and has opened our metrology room that's got some of the most advanced measuring equipment in the UK in our facility here. Today we invited Vicky Ford, our local MP, to come and open the facility, along with a huge selection of our staff, their family. And it was great to see the turnout of everyone. It's great to see the reactions of people to the kind of level of engineering that's going on in the building. But I think it's a greater thing that there's a huger level of engineering going on in the UK that doesn't get the publicity that it should deserve. Some of the equipment in here is some of the most state-of-the-art equipment in the world.
So it's been unbelievably impressive to be here today. I've been seeing this new facility opened by Reacton. Over £1 million worth of investment has gone into this manufacturing facility. It's making these really clever fire extinguishing parts that go into buses, into motors, into mining equipment all over the world. They've put a huge amount of investment in to make sure that they have the best quality British manufacturing, and then they are exporting all over the world from this facility in Chelmsford. So the package over there is going to Indonesia. I've heard how they've been out competing the Americans, going to Dubai, going all over Europe, because it's really quality British engineering, British manufacturing, really good standards, and that is creating excellent jobs here in Chelmsford, and I have been so honoured as the MP to come along and see it today. Brilliant stuff.